Welcome to the Grill Performance YouTube channel. Today's topic is installing the Savor Bar Flex into your gas grill. This will be installed into a new Char-Broil grill. First thing you do is remove the cooking grates, as demonstrated with your scraper or other tool. Remove a single heat shield or flavor bar over the desired burner, and install the Savor Bar Flex unit by simply sliding the inner sleeve from the outer sleeve. Install the smoker box, to check clearance. And the next thing you'll do, using a permanent marker, is simply mark the unit and the tabs to be bent on the lower slide of the unit, as demonstrated, and then simply remove the unit and slide the lower slide from the upper slide, transferring the marks to the underside, and using a standard screwdriver simply bend the tabs on your tab alignment guide included with the Savor Bar Flex until it pierces the cardboard below. And using a standard or needle nose plier, simply bend the tabs, continue bending to approximately 90 degrees, which will hold the Ceramic Favor Briquettes. And then simply replace the lower slide and the upper slide, place the entire unit back in the grill over the desired burner, and place your Ceramic Favor Briquettes onto unit as demonstrated. Once the briquettes have been installed, fill your smoker box with desired wood chips that have not been soaked in water, and simply replace your cooking grates as shown. And for more information on Savor Bar Flex and other products, please visit grillperformance.com. Thank you for viewing Grill Performance.